Do you use Kajabi and have wanted to offer exclusive content only to your paying members? In this video, I'll show you how to create members-only pages on your website that give your community a VIP feel and increase your revenue. Imagine having content that is only available to people who have purchased your products or services. This is a game changer for your business. Now, if you're new to Kajabi and you've never used it before, then you are in luck because I want to offer you an exclusive 30-day free trial simply by going to michaelgoms.com/Kajabi, and you will find that link in the description below. And if you sign up for the free 30-day trial instead of using their standard 14-day free trial that Kajabi offers on their main website, then I'm also going to give you instant access to my Unlock Kajabi course. I'm Mike Goms, and I created this channel to help aspiring entrepreneurs like yourself find more financial, time, and location freedom simply by packaging and selling your knowledge and your passions and turning that into a thriving online business. So members-only pages are custom pages that are locked behind a login screen. So you have to make sure that your members are logged in order to view this content. And this is extremely easy to set up. So if you're not familiar with the Kajabi interface, this is the design pages. You can see over here on the left-hand side, we're under the website tab, and this is where it houses all of your website pages, your landing pages, and then of course your navigation bars and your blog. Now, in order to create a custom members page, all you got to do is go to the website pages tab on the left-hand side. And as you can see here, we have website, landing, and sales funnels. And we want to be under the website tab for sure, because this doesn't work on custom landing pages. It only works on custom website pages. So these are like your website system pages that all follow the same group of settings. And as you can see here over on the right hand side, if you scroll down, all of these pages say system on them, meaning that they are standard system pages and you cannot lock these pages. You have to create a custom one. So we're going to come up here under new website page, and we're going to go ahead and click on this, and let's just enter a name, and we'll just say members only page. Okay, and we'll go ahead and click customize, save this page. So this is a standard, simple template to get you started with your page. Let's go ahead and go back. This is our members only page, but we're going to go back to the menu settings where we just came from. And as you can see here, the members only page is now on top, but it's been labeled with the word published. So you can see how it's different from the system, and then you have the publish pages. The publish page is your custom page. So once we have this set up, all you got to do is click under these three dots right here, and you're going to go under edit details. And if you're familiar at all with the page settings, this should look pretty familiar to you. But if you look here under publish and under draft, you can see the option for member visibility. So by default, anybody can see this page right now. But if we want to lock it, we're going to go ahead and click on this tab, and then we're going to just click save. Okay, so that's it. It's really simple. Now, if anybody were to go to this page, they would be greeted with a login screen. But if they're already logged in, if they're already in their product library, they're checking, maybe they've purchased one of your courses or one of your other products, they're going to be able to see this page. And if you combine this with the ability to be able to take some of your menu items and make those visible to only logged in customers as well, then you can really create a VIP custom exclusive community experience here on your website using Kajabi. So I hope this simple video has been helpful for you in order to create members only pages on your website. And if you haven't done so, I encourage you to follow my YouTube channel if you want more tutorials like this and to be notified of them in the future. And as always, if you guys have any questions, comment below. Ask me any questions that you have. I love chatting with you guys in the comments, and we will see you in the next video.